welcome back to Simply Subrena. I'm Subrena. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. If you are new here, definitely make sure you go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and also go ahead and hit that notification bell so you get updated every time I upload a video. Also, if you found this video helpful, or if you just liked it, or if you just like me, or if you just want to support my channel, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out and I really do appreciate it. So today I'm here with a crochet video for you guys. This is my first crochet video. I typically don't do this style. This is my first experiment and I'm in love, like legit in love. I think I have found my new protective style, my go-to protective style. You guys know I used to wig a lot, but I'm like off of that. I'm off of frontals, closures. I'm just off of anything that does not look like my hair, like a black girl's hair. You know what I'm saying? So, but at the same time, I've been doing my hair for like 2 months straight of time. I need my hair to go away. So I decided to try out crochet style and I'm friggin' in love. Like, this looks so friggin' natural. Like, I feel like a black woman with this in my hair. Like, you know, people would think this is really my hair. People are gonna ask me if this is my hair. Like, I love this. So there's definitely a few other crochet textures and styles that I'm interested in trying out, but I wanted to do something a little bit subtle for my first time just in case. But I'm so in love. I'm so in love. And this is summertime. It's hot, so this is like perfect. The length is perfect. It's just, you guys, you don't understand how in love I am right now. Oh my gosh. And it was so easy. It was so friggin' easy and it took like no time. Yeah, so I'm gonna stop rambling because the intro does not need to be this long. I will mention everything that I used in the video, but yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieved this crochet hairstyle, then just keep on watching.
Okay, so jumping straight into the video, this is my braid pattern. I did braids going straight back for the first half and a beehive in the back. The hair I'm using is by Freetress. This is their wand curl braid. I used 2 packs for this entire style. Before I start, I'm going to go in with my Simply Hair Growth Oil to oil my scalp for the minches. Links and coupon codes will be down below, so definitely check that out if you want to try out this growth oil. And I'm just going to go ahead and get that real good in there before I start applying this crochet hair. Please keep in mind, this is not a tutorial whatsoever. I'm just showing you guys how I did my first crochet style, and I was basically learning while I was doing this. So I'm going to go ahead and tuck that one braid in and I'm going to crochet over it. This is what one bundle of the crochet hair, this is going real fast. This is the curl pattern. So in the back, I did split it twice and then I just twirled it around my fingers to get rid of the frizz. And I'm going to do the knotless method on the perimeter braids. And I feel like I'm going into this as a tutorial, even though it's not a tutorial. But either way, when I first started out, I kind of just did one knot and then I was like, it was moving. So then I did like another knot and then that still wasn't working because it kind of unraveled. Later on, I learned how to double knot the right way, but I didn't know at first. But either way, no hair came out. Like, my hair is still intact. So yeah, I'm going to do the knotless method around the perimeter braids. And like you see here, I was doing it once and I was basically tying it. I wasn't even looping it right. So this is what it looks like there. And then I'm just going to go in the middle section and literally just fill this in any way, shape, or form. Again, my braids are huge in the back. I was being lazy. I didn't feel like doing it super small. And I knew I wasn't going to have this hair in for a super, super long time either. So I didn't really care. It's going on. I've had this for 3 weeks now. It may actually be a whole month. I'm not sure, but I know I've had this in for at least 3 weeks now. And it looks good because it just gets, you know, a little frizzier. You can shake it. It just looks very, very natural. So I really do like this style. Yeah, so again, this is not a tutorial. I'm just showing you how I do it. But once I got up to the front, this is where I finally learned how to double knot the right way. So you put it through the loop, twist, put it through the loop again. Right. So that's really it. Again, this is not a tutorial. If you guys want a more like in-depth tutorial, even though there is 1,000 of them on YouTube, you can let me know. And the next time I do a crochet style, I will do a more in-depth tutorial, slow it down and stuff like that, because placement, it is important and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking because there's really no need for it at all. But yeah, I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Yeah, so after I finish putting in all my crochet hair, you're gonna see me basically trim up the hair to shape it and stuff like that, and that's it. So I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video if you just want to see me do my hair. If you like this video, definitely again give it a thumbs up. If you have any video suggestions, leave it down below. Let me know how you like this crochet style. Let me know what's your favorite crochet curl if you are a crochet girl who do crochet a lot, because you know, I don't really know what's out there. I don't know everything that's out there. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. Enjoy the video. I love you guys so much, and thank you guys for all your support, all you new subscribers. Really, bike? Really? Wow. I'll see you guys later. Love you guys. Bye.
Had a girl quite like me, me. Never 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 had a girl quite like me, me.
Pull up in a Rari, my beside me. It's a two-seater, yo, can't rap, I'm sorry. Pull up in a Rari, my beside me. It's a two-seater, yo, can't rap.
Girl, that you got ain't got nothing on me. So girl, that you got ain't got nothing on me. Got ain't got nothing on me. So call me. Moshi. Girl, that you got ain't got nothing on me. Girl, that you got ain't got nothing on me. So girl, that you got ain't got nothing on me. So girl, that girl, that you head to feet, baby, one more time. Head to feet, baby, you're just fine.
Never had a girl quite
Never had a girl quite like me. Take a hot boy and give him cold feet. When it comes to love, I'm like Moshi.
Pull up in a Rari, my beside me. It's a two-seater, yo, can't rap, I'm sorry. Pull up in a Rari, my beside me. It's a two-seater, yo, can't rap. Never had a girl quite
Never had a girl. Moshi. Never had a girl quite like me, me. 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 Head to feet, baby, one more time. Head to feet, baby, one more time. Head to feet, baby, you're just fine.
Never had a girl quite
Never had a girl quite like me, me. 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 Never had a girl quite like me, me.
Pull up in a Rari, my beside me. It's a two-seater, yo, can't rap, I'm sorry. Pull up in a Rari, my beside me. It's a two-seater, yo, can't rap.
Girl, that girl.